right, everybody. How are you? US100, Godspeed Freeman. How are you? Yes. Hopefully. All right, where's my camera? Here it is. We're looking good. All right. So I have a couple of U.S. Equities longs myself, right? Yeah. Hey team, how are you, mate? So I do have a couple of U.S. I took another, U.S. 30 long, very aggressive, a little bit of high risk trade. That's why I didn't share it. But this Nasdaq is spot on, long. Hola, Raúl, ¿cómo estás? The hunt begins. That's right. Let's do some social media. Why don't we? I'm going to invite people on over on Instagram. All right, so all right, everybody, I'm live here right now on Instagram, holding on to these trades as we begin the live show. Come join me now. Where's the link? Where's the link? So what's up? Yeah, USD 30. That's fine. In hindsight, that might have been a little bit too early of an entry. But the setup was there, so I had to take it. All right. Let's have a look at what we have here. So this is pretty much my entry in US 100. I am targeting. I enter around here on average. My stop loss is here. I'm targeting the highs of the moves here. That liquidity. So it's a 4-point R. 4.3, 4, let's call that 4R, damn it. And I'm still holding a little bit of this US 100 long that I took on an aggressive entry, right? I got stopped out on these positions here on this move, but I took another one, which I'm still holding. All right, so that's for the Nasdaq. There you go. There you go. All right, so that's the Nasdaq. US 30. I'm not even going to look at it. I was also possibly looking at S&P 500. The S&P 500 had a very nice entry here at this imbalance, but I missed that one. So the good one was on the US 100. So this is my live account. As you know, I'm down on my live account about 1%, which is fine, right? VIP, very quiet lately. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna send trades if I don't find a setup, mate. I don't do that. I'm not that kind of a trader, right? Mr. Orlando, teach us consistency snipers trading system. You are the best. Chris Ferro, yes, I will. I'm about to open my trader development program where you will learn how to do this, if that is what you're looking for. Let's have a look at gold. All right, gold untradable the last couple of days. Here, the 3-minute chart showed me a possible entry. I had this entry yesterday, but price just didn't get there, and I deleted my, entry. So, possible longs here. I was looking at possible longs here at this area. This was my area for longs in gold, but I was in front of my charts. How are you, Pure Ministry of Jesus Christ? ¿Cómo estás, hermano? Aquí todo tranquilo, dándole. So this was my entry in gold. This is what you will learn to do. I didn't take this one because I was focusing on U.S. equities, but this is basically what you will learn to do. Pretty insane risk to reward ratio here on gold. Now I'm hunting for possible add-ons on gold. Una pregunta aparte si puedes, ¿cuál es la cuenta de Funded Trade Account del reto que estás haciendo? Esta es, pero no te puedo decir cuál es, ¿cómo se llama? La firma que estoy ocupando porque no somos partners todavía. Would you ever make a Discord group? I don't know. Maybe for my trader development program, I will, mate. But of course, it's going to be for people who buy into the program only. Now, that program is going to be very cool because it's going to be 10 weeks of intensive training with me, right? I'm going to share my screen throughout all of my sessions with my VIPs via Zoom. Not VIPs, with the people that buy into my program. So via Zoom, they're going to have access to me all day throughout my trading session, right? To ask me anything. They're going to get 2 one-on-one coaching sessions per week for 10 weeks until they graduate from my program to become money printing machines. How it sounds good. How much is it going to cost? It's going to cost about 3,500 pounds. But you're going to get everything. Journal. I'm going to teach you how to journal, how to look at your data, how to plug leaks in your trading, how to optimize your trading so you can become beasts, and so you can actually have this kind of performance. I'm gonna show you. Oh, my allergies are acting up. So you can have this kind of performance, right? I want you to become beasts, and so you can have this kind of performance. All right, so looking into my Dow longs right now, I'm still going to hold. Now, here's the decision that I need to take on my Dow longs. Should I take my stop loss to break even? In my opinion, I shouldn't. Right? What I should have done, I should have taken some profits. Now I'm going to have to monitor this trade and try not to lose a penny on it because I'm already down on the day. Right? So that's because I was talking to you, I missed on managing that trade. Man, your Ethereum trade, why you have closed it? I know, man. I know. Fuck. But yeah. I mean, it was. I think it was CPI, mate. I had to close it. I have to follow my rules. Hello, Ellie. All right. This Nasdaq looking good. This one looking good too. So gold, basically what I'm looking for after this break of the lows. So I mean, just look at this. Gold swept with all that liquidity, got to my entry point. I didn't take this trade. Hi Bogdan. In hindsight, I should have. In hindsight, I should have, but that's fine. Now, I'm looking to ads here in gold. Now, very quickly looking at the breaker here. Now, let me just delete this. Looking at the breaker here, first of all, let's have a look at some levels. Yep. So, here it is. I'm going to be looking at this zone right here. For add-ons on gold, here we have a very, very good shit. Hold on. What the hell is going on? I don't know. All right, so imbalance here, or liquidity imbalance, however you want to. I mean, it's more liquidity here than imbalance because that imbalance has been filled. Just a quick look at this. All right, so Um, when should now I'm going to move my stops to break even on my Dow. Let me just monitor this. I'm going to show you how I manage this because this entry was uh, um, a little bit big on the bigger side. Now I'm just waiting for a break of the highs to take most of my trade off here, and you know the Nasdaq is looking very good. Taking most of my trade offs here on the Dow. Um, yeah, I'm gonna move my stop losses to break even. If I get stopped out at break even on my Dow, it's fine because I do have my Nasdaq, on which I am risking. I don't know, 0.20%, which is fine. Uh, LOL, dele. ¿Puedes te reír? So, yeah. Actually, I'm sorry. This is the level that I should be looking at. Here's that imbalance, or the level that I am going to look at. Here's that imbalance. We have the bullish OB here. Doesn't matter about the bullish OB. We do have this, you know, liquidity, pending liquidity to be stripped right here. Now, right. So here's where I would add on to my to add on. Here's where I would look for gold longs. Right here at the 1996.38. Here, 1996.38 below the lows. And my targets here. Let's have a look at a 10-minute chart. Would be should be here. At this highs, this zone of liquidity. Boom. First targets for a 3.57 R. All right, let's wait for this U.S. equities. Like the video, exactly, like the video. All right, so we're waiting for that, for those U.S. equities. For those buyers to jump into the market. Yep. Now us100, pretty similar setup. Any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, I am going to look out of very soon of this live show. Really? What happened? What happened, Godspeed Freeman? I don't know why my position size calculator is not working correctly. I do this, and then let's say that I try to buy calculator, right? And when I modify this, well, it's working here. No, you see? All right, there you go. Big push on U.S. equities. I don't have any US 30 longs in place at the moment. Well, I do. There you go. Come on. Break with the highs. Give me some profits. Yes, I did take a stop loss, mate, but I mean, I don't share 100% of my trades, Giovanni. I'm not a copy trading service. Of course, I did open again. But I did share my Nasdaq long. Come on, baby. Break with those highs. Give me some profits. Well, I might just take some here. Shit. What's going to happen with gold? I don't know. No one fucking knows. Uh, you know what? I do want to take some profits off the table on my Dow. But now I missed the opportunity, so if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, breaks with the highs. That's a great, great thing. Now it's clear. Yeah. All right. Let's see if I can get if I can squeeze some profits out of this. Maybe I'll take some here. Yeah, just missing the opportunity to do so. That's fucking terrible. Uh, all right. Any questions, guys? Any questions at all? The Nasdaq's looking good. I mean, if we go to the 5-minute chart, you can see that we did break with the highs. Let's wait. Buyers looking very heavy here. I'll tell you that much. Go long, can we enter now? I can't tell you what to do, mate. You do you. Is it possible to follow your VIP crypto signals with eToro? It has a sufficient cryptos? I don't know. Do the research, mate, or email support. All right, so this is looking a little bit sketchy. I'll be right back, guys. I will be right back. I need to go. I'm gonna go pee. All right, I'm back. I mean, I didn't go, but I just I'm gonna hold because I need to really monitor this trade. So, how about your course? How much will it cost? Around 3,500 pounds for 10 weeks. That's my overall pricing. All right. So I'm waiting for this gold, silver. Silver was the same thing. Silver, very clear entries here. Silver. Looking like buyers jumping in here on U.S. equities. Remember that we bought into a very strong move to the downside, so we need to monitor this correctly, right? Alright, and the Dow here. Buyers look very heavy here on the Dow. I'll tell you that much. But this zone is the battle zone between buyers and sellers on the Dow. I know that you don't have any Dow longs, but I do. Now the Nasdaq looking very good here. Now we should, if we break with these highs, I think that buyers or buys are good. Now on the Dow side, I need buyers to break with these highs in order for me to feel good about my longs. There we go. Nasdaq longs rocking. And let's hear that pop. Let's hear that pop. Now the Nasdaq broke with the highs. That's good. Let's hear that pop. Now I'm just waiting that pop on the Dow. Yeah. Nasdaq broke with the high, so very possible we're going to get some sort of a pullback before that break. If that happens, that is what I'm looking to see. All right. So on the 15-minute chart, this still looking very good on the 15. No, I haven't, Jerome, I haven't. My US100 is still running at full risk, mate. Running at full risk. Woof! And there's nothing too much, I mean, oh, I'm sorry. There's nothing else that I'm looking at, you know, other than that missed opportunity on gold. You know, I'm not looking at anything. I mean, this Euro USD long might have been, but you know, the Euro USD just sucks. Cat yen, pound yen. There's nothing going on, you know, really that pops to my eyes as a good setup, you know. I'm gonna be fucking pissed if I get stopped out of break even on this Dow long, but it's fine. Yeah, there's nothing too much going on here, you know, setup wise. Yeah. Look at this, hold on. Look at this US dollar Mexican peso long here. 6R, very nice. I'm gonna tag this for later because I didn't see it until now. And that, my friends, is something I don't like. BTC. Now that Bitcoin has broken with this structure, I'm looking for longs, you know, for the VIPs. I know that we don't trade too much crypto on the VIP side, but I think that we might have something here. So I'm gonna tag this red, because I'm looking for a pullback towards the, you know, 29,400 zone for a great long. Should be something like this. I'm eyeballing it, guys. You know, I'm eyeballing it. should be something like this for a 5.6R, 5.5R or so in Bitcoin, which would be very cool. All right, so there's nothing going on, so no need for me to stay on. If you want to be part of my VIP group, you know what to do. The link is below this video. Yeah, just wait for my trader development program. Also, if you're a VIP, wait for my trade management on this I'm sorry.